GCS 900 using new slope with 1-point calibration via base station. Once the CB460 has been powered on, we will navigate to the menu button located here. When we press the menu button, up at the top, Select Design is already highlighted in blue. This is where we will go to apply a new slope. Press OK. Now in the list of options, you see different design files that have already been loaded into the control box. These may or may not apply to this application. For working with a new slope or a new level, those options can be found on the top right side of the screen, located here. So if we're working with slopes, press the soft key corresponding to new slope. Coordinate system selection is based upon the information provided into the control box. The first option that's selected at the bottom, it says this uses the coordinate system based upon the last loaded design. This will maintain your northing, easting, and elevation reference. This may or may not apply to your current loaded design. This would work if we were creating a new slope on an existing project that we were using a 3D design built via Office and or Trimble Business Center. For the 1-point cal that we performed in the base station, we're going to use the Auto Create on Load option. So press the down arrow and highlight that in blue. Down at the bottom it says this automatically creates a coordinate system based upon your current position. The current position is directly derived from the receivers on the machine. The elevation that it will create will directly reflect the elevation created in the base height that we noted earlier. If you recall, we looked at the base longitude, latitude, and base height. The height number that the control box will produce will be really close to the height of the base station. Press OK. Here we can apply our point number 1 along the alignment. We need to be sure that the focus point, whether blade right or if we press this soft key, blade left, is selected. This would be lining up the left side of the blade with the alignment of the slope. We can then select here. When we select here, the northing, easting, and elevation are extracted from the receivers on the machine to give us a position horizontally and vertically. We then move to point 2, which is the next point along the alignment. Let's say we need to change our focus to blade right to align with the alignment point. From there, we can press here. Again, the northing, easting, and elevation are extracted from the receiver on the machine. The cross slope is the next option. Cross slope must have a value. Let's say from the left side of my alignment it's 0%, and on the right I want it to fall 2.5%. So left, I would key in 0 using the up and down arrows, and here you see there's a little icon that shows flat on the left side. If we hit the next key, which is here, we can then apply a right cross slope. So we apply a 2, hit the right key one time to move over a space, and hit the down key to apply a decimal. Hit the right key one more time to space over, and hit the up key until you reach 5. 2.5%. Now if you notice, the icon that's located right here is showing that I'm going up 2.5%. I want to go down 2.5%, so it's going to be negative. So this icon here, I will adjust to show that I'm sloping down. We should get a result that looks like this. So, in recap, 0% on the left, 2.5% sloping down to the right. This icon is sloping down towards the right. Press OK. We can give it a design name. You can use the arrow keys to type in a name if you choose. For now, I'll leave it at slope 02. Press OK. We then go back to the design file list, and slope 02 is highlighted in blue. We can press OK to apply it. Up here at the top, select design. Slope 02 is the slope that we are working on, and we can hit the escape key one time. Now we should see an alignment on our screen. If for some reason the percentages of cross slope and or alignment need to be changed, we can edit the current slope. So we will navigate to the menu button, highlight the select design in blue, press OK. We want to then navigate to slope 02 using the up and down arrows. And over here on the side there's an edit option. We press the soft key associated with edit. We then can change the northing, easting, and or elevation from the point 1. If I press the soft key for point 2, I can then change that elevation and or northing and easting. I can also adjust the cross slope. So in this case, if we were wanting a 1% on the left, I would use the left key or the left arrow key to delete until I have a blank screen, and then use the up key to apply 1%. Now if you notice on the left, I've got a sloping down icon going down 1% on the left side of the alignment. If this is applicable, leave it sloping down. If not, we can change it to where along the alignment I would have a break line, so on the left I would be sloping up 1%, and then on the right side of the alignment I would be sloping down 2.5%. Press OK. Once we edit slope 02, that design is then loaded again. If we hit the escape key, back to the main screen, those changes have then applied. Thank you for watching.